Okay, quick question before we start. When was the last time you stayed 1 full hour without touching your phones?
If you say today, you are either lying or your phone is charging.
Because let's be honest, our phones are basically glued to our hands at this point.
We wake up and check our phones.
We eat while scrolling.
We sleep after just 5 more minutes of reels
Which turns into 1 hour.
minimum.
Hi guys, welcome back to the English Academy, your space for real conversation, real thoughts, and real life situations.
And if you are new here, welcome. I am Kiara, the elder sister, slightly more disciplined, slightly more aware.
And I am Anya, younger sister, professional procrastinator, and full time phone addict.
At least she is honest.
Unlike some people who pretend they just check messages and then disappears for 2 hours.
Okay, we are not exposing me today.
So guys, today's video is about something we all do, but don't really talk about seriously.
We are talking about phone addiction,
Social media scrolling,
screen time,
and how all of this is slowly affecting our real life.
because let's be real, it doesn't feel like a problem at first.
It feels normal.
Everyone is doing it.
Everyone is online.
But the real question is, are we actually enjoying it?
Or are we just stuck in a habit?
In this video, we are going to talk about how social media creates a perfect life illusion,
How we start comparing ourselves to people we don't even know,
how our time disappears without us even realizing.
and how we are slowly losing connection with real life.
We will also talk about something important.
That uncomfortable feeling,
When you know you are wasting time,
but still can't stop scrolling
and no, this is not one of those quit social media lectures.
because, let's be honest, we are not quitting either.
Exactly. This is just a real conversation.
Two sisters talking about their habits
Their struggles.
and maybe trying to understand what's actually going on.
Because sometimes the problem is not the phone.
It's how we are using it.
So if we have ever opened Instagram for 2 minutes,
And ended up scrolling for hours.
if you have ever compared your life to someone else online,
Or felt like you are wasting your time but still can't stop.
then trust me, this video is for you. So sit back and relax.
Grab your chai, your snacks.
Or maybe just keep your phone aside for a few minutes.
Yes, right. Like that's going to happen
And let's get into
to
it.
it. Oh, and wait.
Before we start,
Like, share, and subscribe to the English
English
Academy. Now, okay, let's actually talk about this addiction.
yeah, starting with your 8 hours screen time,
We are not discussing that.
we are starting our conversation on topic phone addiction.
Okay, don't lie.
I already don't trust this question.
How many hours is your screen time?
We are not doing this.
Exactly. Suspicious.
It's not that bad.
Say the number.
6 hours.
6. That's your not bad.
What's yours?
8.
And you are judging me?
I swear, I just pick up my phone for 2 minutes.
And suddenly it's been 2 hours.
Exactly. Like, where does the time go?
Into reels, memes, and random videos we don't even remember.
Half the time, I am not even enjoying it, just scrolling.
That is addiction.
Also, can we talk about how fake everything looks online?
Filters, perfect lighting, perfect life.
Meanwhile, I am sitting in pajamas for 3 days straight.
Same energy.
Like everyone looks so happy, successful, confident.
And then you start questioning your own life.
Exactly. Like what I am what am I even doing?
Social media creates unrealistic standards,
And then we we compare ourselves to that.
which is the worst thing you can do.
But it's automatic.
Yeah, that is the problem.
Sometimes I feel like I'm wasting my life,
You are not wasting your life.
just my time.
Yes,
Do you think we are missing out on real life?
a little, yeah.
Like earlier, people used to talk more.
Now we sit together and still scrolling separately.
That's actually sad.
We are connected to everyone, but disconnected in real life.
Deep.
I have moments.
Have you ever tried reducing screen time?
Yes, failed in one day.
Same.
It's harder than it sounds.
Because everything is on the phone: studies, chats, entertainment.
Exactly. It's not just addiction, it's a dependency.
So, what do we do?
Maybe balance.
That sounds boring.
Being addicted is also not fun.
You know what's ironic?
What?
We spend so much time on our phones.
But don't spend enough time with each others.
Okay, that hit.
We literally live in the same house.
And still send memes instead of talking.
That's our love language.
True. So, are we going to reduce screen time from tomorrow?
Definitely.
You are lying.
Absolutely.
Same.
At least we are self aware.
Growth?
Minimal, but still growth.
Okay, but seriously, after this video, I am not touching my phone.
You are literally recording this on your phone.
Hmm, details don't matter.
Delusion level expert.
Thank you. If you watch this whole video, you probably relate to something.
Maybe your screen time
Maybe the endless scrolling,
or that feeling that you are wasting time but still can't stop.
and if that's you,
Just know you are not alone.
we are literally in the same situation.
Trying to balance real life and online life,
Also, we are not here to judge you
or tell you to delete all your apps.
because, let's be honest, we don't do that either.
This was just a real, honest conversation
And if this video made you think, even for a moment,
about your habits.
about your time,
Then it was worth it.
also, if you stayed till the end,
Thank you, seriously.
your time means everything to us.
And we are really grateful you choose to spend it here with us.
We want the English Academy to be more than just a channel.
We want it to be a space where you can relate
Think,
and grow.
so don't just watch and leave.
Talk to us in the comments.
Tell us honestly.
What's your screen time? No lying.
Also, tell us, do you feel addicted to your phone?
And what's the one thing you think you are missing in real life because of it?
And and if you have any topic you want us to talk about next,
Anything, college life, stress, overthinking, confidence, English speaking,
or literally any problem you are facing,
drop it in the comments
we read everything.
and we might pick your topic for our next video.
And yeah, quick reminder before you go,
If you like this video,
don't forget to hit that like button,
share it with your friends
especially that one friend who says bas 5 minute or,
and disappears for 2 hours.
and subscribe to the English Academy.
Academy. Also,
Notification bell on कर लो.
because upcoming videos are going to be even more real,
And maybe a little more exposing.
definitely more exposing.
Before we go,
Take care of yourself.
and maybe reduce your screen time a little.
We will try to
Try.
We will see you in the next video.
Bye, guys.